A model can be significantly cheaper per million tokens and still cost you more money. That happens when it almost fixes a repo issue but misses an error, or when it quickly writes a research briefing but leaves out the decisive source. Grok 4.5 arrives with a clear challenge. SpaceXAI describes the model as a workhorse for coding, app building, research, writing, and office tasks. Elon Musk calls it Opus class, faster and more token efficient. The price is set at $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens. That is a serious price. But it is not proof of a better agent. An agent is more than just a model. It works with context, tools, permissions, loops, and a review gate. One additional tool call, a bad research choice, or a flawed code change can erase the value of a lower token price. So the fair question is not, is Grok cheaper than Claude or GPT? The fair question is, does it deliver the same usable output in your workflow with less time and lower total costs? 5 tasks are enough to find out. First, a real repo fix with tests the model is not allowed to modify. Second, a research briefing where sources, contradictions, and missing evidence become visible. Third, tool selection. Which tool is the agent allowed to call, and does it justify that choice correctly? Fourth, a review gate. The model receives a change and must find errors, risks, and missing tests. Fifth, a writing task with a clear audience, factual basis, and quality criteria. Do not evaluate creative rambling. Evaluate whether the text is directly usable. The order matters. First, assess results blindly. Then compare time, tokens, tool calls, and rework. If a model responds faster but requires more corrections, it has not won. If it is cheaper per token but needs more loops, it has not won either. The baseline must also be current. Claude Opus 4.8 includes adaptive reasoning, large context windows, and agent capabilities. OpenAI explicitly distinguishes model-driven decisions from controllable code-based workflows for agent orchestration. That is where the real-world test is decided. The model may plan. Your system must measure and set limits. My verdict, Grok 4.5 must be tested because of its price, not adopted because of it. A benchmark win or a strong vendor claim does not replace a comparison on your own tasks. You can find the right next video in the top right and click the bottom right to follow.